Welcome to Eileen's Vegan Eats. Today we are making a Tunegga sandwich, a merge between the two childhood classic favorites, tuna and egg. Let's get right in there. This recipe is super simple. This is all you need. Half a red onion, a garlic clove, a stalk of celery, some cornichons, Dijon mustard, whole grain mustard, mayonnaise, granulated garlic, onion powder, the special ingredient, this is black salt. And you're also going to need a can of chickpeas and a can of artichoke hearts. That's it. Clear off your workspace and grab yourself a bowl. You're going to chop up your celery, your red onion, garlic clove, and cornichons. And if you don't know what cornichons are or you don't like them, you can grab pickle or relish, that's fine too. Throw everything in a bowl, give it a little stir, and grab your food processor. You're going to throw your chickpeas in there and pulse 5 times. Same with your artichoke hearts, 5 times. When you pull it out, it should be the consistency of a flaky white fish. Grab your nut milk bag. This is the important part. You want to put all of your artichoke heart in there and squeeze the ever-loving dickens out of it. You want to get all that moisture out. That will make your tuna too runny. See, look how much came out. Throw your squeezed artichoke hearts in with your chickpea and veggie mixture. Mix it all up. Make sure you break up those artichoke hearts. And then goes in the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, whole grain mustard, granulated garlic, black salt, onion powder, regular kosher salt. Grind that pepper in there and give it a good mix up. Notice mine is a little bit on the drier side. It's because I like to add in mayonnaise and mustard on my bread. If you want more mayonnaise in your mix, that is absolutely up to you. Grab yourself some bread. See, there goes on the mayonnaise and the Dijon mustard. Throw on your fixins and make yourself a sandwich. Now, keep in mind that this mixture for this Tunegga is just a base for you. So you can throw in cranberries, you can throw in more pickles, you can throw in olives, maybe some Granny Smith apples, whatever you usually like in your tuna or egg salad, throw it in here. It's going to be delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe for Tunegga. If you do make it, please tag me on social media at Eileen's Vegan Eats. I would love to see it. Subscribe to my channel, follow me for more delicious vegan recipes. Click that notification bell to get notified every time I make a new video. Please enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week, and the rest of your life.